Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on Niger Daily. So guys, in this video we're talking about the latest collaboration between Wizkid, P Prime and DJ Tunez guy. So if this first time you have seen this channel, I would like you to please kindly hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so as to get early posts from us guys. So guys, DJ Tunez posted a snippet of his new collaboration with Wizkid and P Prime, which they titled Bad Girl. So what I'll do, I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video, and also don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section. What do you think about this collaboration? And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Peace and thanks guys.
Bad girl, bad girl.
Ooh,
bad girl,
fire.
bad girl. Bad girl, don't run away now. Why? It gets many things where I want to